Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 16th, and this is my recap of the top view videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a little bit of a double bottom, a little bit of volatility at the Powell speech today. Now, I would definitely think that this would go up and at least break structure, but it actually could be part of an ABC correction to the downtrend until we start getting some significant structure breaks to the upside, at least on the 4-hour time frame and up. I am definitely still primarily looking for shorts. Now, it does look to me like it should go up and either make a 1, a 2, and a 3, which potentially could stretch out, or this is actually going to be an ABC, and if that's the case, then it might just go back up, take out these highs, maybe make an equal high to this, and actually end up continuing the downtrend. So I would definitely keep an eye on it. The trend is definitely 100% down on the longer time frames, and I think that looking for shorts is still the best bet as of now. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here below, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.